I can't go to the gym because I just learned that I'm the bitch at the gym who goes, ah, in the middle of I'm dying right now. I'm scared my neighbors are scared. It's about to be a fucking bloodbath, bitch. It's about to be a motherfucking, it's about to be a bloodbath, sis. Oh my God, it's Amber Rose. Hi. What the fuck? I love you. Hold on, bitch. Get the fuck out of goddamn town.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys.
You got me fucked up.
We're gonna go into that elbow tap extension. This elbow down. Blink of that leg. 3, 2, 1, let's go. In and out. Tap, extend. Tap, extend. Good. Oh, thank goodness this one's nice and slow. Gives me a fake break. In, extend. Here's the great thing, you guys, about doing your workout to music that you like. You last longer, you want to go harder, and you don't think about reps. Okay, because I don't know about you, but I hate counting reps. Don't like it. It makes it about the number, not about the move. And so my trick for having fun when you're working out is to play great music. Okay, and that's what Pop Pilates is. And I hope you like the music today because I'm digging it. In and out, and in and out. Keep going. That's how you find the joy in your movement. Okay, you guys, get ready. We're about to pulse right here. Let's pulse. Up, 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 up. Long back, long back. Lift, 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 lift. Good. Point your toes hard. Long legs. Up, up, up. Good. Keep going. Lift, lift. Almost there. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And down. So good. Okay. It is time for your lying mermaid lift. Let's go ahead and come down. Imagine you're relaxing.
What are we doing next,
that bottom leg.
What are we doing next,
Extend the top one forward. Here we go.
Hold on.
Good.
No, fuck that.
Take your time and lower and up and down. Again, the more you keep that leg perpendicular to your body, the more you're gonna feel that outer glute. And
Fuck you.
And lift and lower. So good.
Why are we doing this the whole line and fucking luau music?
And you know what? There's a lot of lower ab action happening right here too. You've got to squeeze your core to lift that leg up. It's not the position. It really works these muscles, okay? Just breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
Fuck you, bitch.
Up and down. All right. You guys ready to pulse this baby out? All right. Lay the leg right there. Let's go. Pulse. Pulse.
She's crazy.
And fight. You guys, I know I'm smiling and everything, but I'm literally dying right now. It's a good booty death. Come on. And up. Up. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push. Oh, my legs are shaking. I'm so tired. That's so terrible. But I love it. 3,
No.
2, 1.
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you ready for the last move, you guys? This is the last minute and 30.
This is sick.
Butterfly bridges.
This is fucking
bring
sick.
The soles of your feet
And in
together,
a
just like
bad
that.
way.
Super wide. We go like this. Up and down. Lift and lower. Keep the knees wide. Up
Oh, fuck,
and down.
bitch. What the fuck is that?
And lower. Squeezing your butt cheeks together every time you lift. Up. You got it. Lift and lower. And up and down.
This is easy.
Press the soles of your feet
Why is
together.
this
Let's
easy?
go.
I don't like that.
You got it.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
Nice. And when you come down, it's a slight tap, so you're never resting fully, okay? Just this, the moment this, like the pants, the fabric on your pants, the moment you're feet under your butt, but actually you're probably not that naked doing this. That would be weird if you were, but that's okay. Hey, to each their own. Anyway, what am I saying? Oh yeah, and you feel the mat just like slightly touch you, that's when you lift back up, okay? And up and down. So good. Lift and lower and lift and lower. Get ready. We pulse right here. It's a lift. Lift. Keep it high. Up. They're tiny pulses. Lift. Stay strong now. This is a lot. Sit in your 20 minutes to 10 minutes. Lift. Lift. Let's go. Up. Nice, guys. Come on. You're so close to being done. Give me 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold 1. Hold it. No. She said hold. Bring it down. Oh my goodness, you guys! Can we please?
She's acting like she's in pain.
Because
She dead ass acting.
the butt cheeks are alive. They're so dead, they're alive. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
Bitch, I'm
Go
doing-
ahead and bring opposite ankle.
Oh, we got
over.
more?
Beautiful.
Oh, word, we got more, bitch. Hold
I
on.
am pouring.
I can't even breathe. That
What
shit is
was
already
that?
difficult.
That was absolute insanity.
Oh, it's a stretch.
But I love
We doing
you.
stretches.
Did you like it too? Did you like it too?
We love
Okay.
stretching queen.
Let me know in the comments how your booty feels right now. Also, because this is the final video in your 12 Minutes to Tone series, I gotta start thinking about the next set of workouts. What should we do? I mean, there's so many options. So if you guys have ideas, please tell me in the comments below. I will be reading everything, and hopefully one of your ideas will be the inspiration for the next set of videos that
I'm gonna fight this bitch. I'm calling the cops. That's what I'm doing. I'm calling the cops. I'm alerting the authorities. I got an Xbox One, a GameCube, I got a Dreamcast. Oh, I'm just kidding. Bitch, someone just said why? Why not? Y'all over here eating all the Cheetos up while we're hiding out. Y'all over there eating damn hot dog water. Honey, it's postponed. Stubborn Fat is canceled. The tour is postponed. But that is canceled. Hold on, bitch. It's not over. I'm doing arms next, bitch. I'm not getting a PS4. I don't care. The more everyone tells me get a PS4, you're lame because you have an Xbox, the less I want to get a PS4. Just to prove a point. What we doing next? I want to do more butt. Can I do more ass? I have nothing to do, bitch. Should I just do more ass? I want to do standing ass. I don't want to do that laying down shit. I want to do some kicks. Y'all are dumb. Hey MTV, I love you. I forgot your name. Please don't hate me. Should I do more butt? Do you think I'll hurt myself if I do more butt? I'm not scared. I'm not scared, bitch. I'm a bit destructible. I'm a bit destructible. And I might be sick. And I might have a virus, but I'm not scared. I'm just not scared. I'm gonna keep on doing what I need to do to get the butt that I need. So let's go. That I want, by the way. I don't need the butt. I want the butt. Hold on. Butt workout. Resistance bands. I don't have that. All I have is shoelaces. Hold on. Hold on. 20 minutes. 20 minutes? I don't know if I can do that. Hold on now. Oh, she's on the ground. Yes, make me a Corona wig, please. Can you make a green and purple? No, I'm not sick. I drank last night, so I'm like, let me do some Pilates. Because I'm going to be home. And I can't make this regular. Ooh, a 7-minute booty burn? Ooh, I could do that. Girl, what is a quarantine? Someone just said, how is quarantine? Let's do 7 minutes.
Good to see you. Yeah, hey, what's with the polka dots? What do you mean? Polka dots are out. It's polka. Hey guys, Cassie here. Today we are going to be doing a 7-minute booty lifting routine.
Let's do it.
You're gonna lift up this leg just like that, okay? Hand on the hip.
No,
and you're
we did
simply
that
going
already. I want to do some standing ones. I want to do some squats. Did I watch that already? I want to do some squatties. Do some squatties, daddies. Oh my god, look at Paper Magazine and MTV falling in love. How cute. Look at them. You guys are adorable. What do we... I'm trying to find... What's a muffin top massacre, sis? Let's do that.
Hey guys, Cassie here, and welcome to your
that
Muffin Top
shit.
Massacre. Reach, come back up. Beautiful.
What is she doing? Oh.
Coming down. And
Oh no, sis.
it is going to feel good.
Sis. Oh no, sister.
And come back all the way to starting. See that? Caress the baby. Here we go. And down, ballet, and lift, caress. And down, hold, lift. You're going to feel it all.
I ain't doing all that. What she got? What's the new stuff? Because this is from 2013. What else you get? 10-minute arm toner. Oh, let's do arms. Let's do arms. I've done everything. I did legs, I did ass, I did abs.
Thank you.
Now let's do-
I finally
let's
hit
do arms.
rock bottom
Sisters,
when
sister
I
arms.
realized.
And I don't have a yoga mat, so please make that tall. Let's go. Come on, bitch.
Hey guys, Cassie here. Welcome to your Total Body Transformation series. So today we're going to work my favorite body part in the world to work. Like, look, I love abs, but I kind of like working my arms even more because they transform really fast for me, especially my shoulders. You know how some people can do squats and then their booty just automatically lifts? That's not my butt. That's for me, shoulder presses and
Okay, sis, you look cute, but let's go. Come on.
today is because
Oh, are we using
you guys, I'm
dumbbells?
just
I
the
don't have
type of
any
person that gets
dumbbells.
really attracted to shiny things.
True, I need dumbbells. Could I use Patron bottles? Does that work? I have 2 bottles of Patron. Hold on. Can we use olive oil? Is that dangerous? Oh. Let's do that. This is not 10 pounds, but it's something. Does this work? Does this work? Can I do this? Does anybody know if I can do this? Can we use water? It's so light. I need sticks with marshmallows on the end of them. Remember SpongeBob? Remember that show?
Things and things in pretty colors. So, if you know what I'm saying. So, overhead triceps.
No, we can't do arms. I can't do. There's no weight on this. Use detergent. Hold on, let me see. I don't know. I don't get the whole working out thing, so I'm just gonna. Oh, my detergent's empty. Oh, sticky sis. Damn. Can I use a toaster? Ooh, what about candles? This is so dangerous. That's no way. Yeah, alright, fuck it. Never mind, you guys. That was fun, though. I'm done. I'm done here. I feel like I could do abs one more time. Wait, I have a question before I leave, you guys. Because I don't know. I could just ask my trainer, but I'm going to ask you guys. Could you, like, really hurt yourself if you just worked out all day? Like, how bad is it to just work out all day? Like, what if I don't want to do 30 minutes of Pilates? Can I do like 3 hours? Not straight. Like, break it up. Probably. Stretch. Someone said stretch. Yeah, true. That lactic acid buildup, though. Chloe Ting. You could pull a muscle. It's gonna hurt and you might tear your muscle. Make sure you stretch. Take a break in between. Can you work out 2 times a day? You know what? Fuck that. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this right now, and then later tonight, I could do this shit again. Yes, yes. Nah, you'll be fine. I know, but I don't feel like, I feel like I should be in pain right now. Like, I don't feel that. I'm not, I guess maybe I gotta wait to be sore. This bitch had me on the floor like this, bitch. She said, cross your leg over and tie your legs in a bow, and then fucking go like this. Bitch, that shit is no fucking joke. Fuck that. I'm doing that tonight. Huh. So you shouldn't always be sore? Work out with me. If I come on live, you know what? If I do caffeine every day and work, will you guys work out with me? MTV is our friend. MTV's our bestie. Wow. Anyway, love you guys. I'm out of here. God bless. Wash your hands. Wash your ass. Hi, Bree Runway. Oh my god. I love you. Wait. Bitch. Work out with me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that means I'm working out. All right, fine. I'm working out every day. Let's do this. Caffeine, you guys. Watch me on my caffeine. And,
Just really like it. It don't got nothing to do with that. When I be getting irritated, I be getting irritated. I be getting irritated. Like, so I don't be wanna. I'm not trying to talk reckless because then this nigga gonna be saying I'm gonna get stabbed or something. So I'm trying to chill. Because if y'all can't chill, I gotta chill. Somebody has to chill here. Someone has to have some level of chill. And clearly it's not y'all.
I don't be talking like that though. No. Big shot.
What'd you say?
I said big shot.
Big shot?
Yeah.
I do a little chug, you know, a little something.
Yeah, I see.
A little something for the nerves. Answer this, Jill Bay.
It got high. Hold on. It got high.
It got hot? Oh yeah, take it off. Take it off. Oh.
What you call it?
Okay, yeah, this is cute. This is cute.
I ain't got that many bodies, so what you call it? Every time it's I'm gonna say
You
raw so but
fucking lying. Do not sit on here and fucking lie. I ain't want to spray in my face like that. Like, what the fuck?
no, I'm saying like for me being me, I ain't got that many bodies. So.
For me being me? What the fuck
Yeah.
does that mean, my nigga?
Hey, and then on top of that, even if I did have bodies, I'm still gonna lie because niggas, that's not attractive. Just oh yeah, I had sex
No,
with
lying ain't
100,000
attractive. Stop fucking lying.
I was saying though,